to go over the assignment from yesterday because there seems to be a little bit of confusion. So at the top, it is not asking you to solve these problems. It's asking you to determine what do you think that number is. So for example, 2 plus radical 7. Radical 7 can't be written as a fraction, which tells you that it's an irrational number. Because that's irrational, the whole thing would wind up being irrational. So I'm going to drag an x from the top, and I'm going to mark it as a real number because it's real. And I'm going to grab another one and put it in irrational. And that's all it fits in. Something like 5/3, that's a fraction. I have to determine, is that a real number? If it is, I put an X in the box. And then, is it rational or irrational? Has to be one or the other. Then, does it belong to any of the other subsets? Is it an integer? Is it a whole number? Is it a natural number? Right? Use the information that you wrote down yesterday. On the bottom, you need to label what goes where. So if this whole box is the real number system, here's the first two pieces of the real number system, one here and one here. What should they be called? In this box, there's something inside of it, inside of it, inside of it. We actually drew a organizer similar to this, where the question marks are. That's where you put in examples of the different types of numbers. We put some in our notebook. If you need to go out to the internet, Google, and look that up, that might be a good thing to do. So I'm hoping that will answer the questions on how to complete yesterday's homework.